Good morning, early birds. Welcome to another episode of the Early Bird, the series where we look at the headlines and how they will affect the market. Today is 9th of February 2021, and I have three really interesting items to talk to you about. Okay, so would you like to pay by cash, card, or Bitcoin? Tesla recently bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, sending the cryptocurrency to jump by 12% in 24 hours. This marks a historic moment as Tesla would be the biggest company yet to invest a significant amount of money in the highly controversial digital currency. Other companies that have invested in Bitcoin include MicroStrategy and Square. Currently, Bitcoin is trading at an all-time high of around 56,000 Australian dollars. As Bitcoin is based on a decentralized network and is not backed by any institution, it is not a reliable store of value and is often very volatile. As such, holders of Bitcoin are susceptible to this volatility, Tesla included. The board of Tesla approved the purchase on spare cash with full understanding and disclosure to its shareholders that such investment can cause its financial reports to be volatile also. The flow-on effect would be increased volatility in Tesla's share price. The company aims to mitigate this risk by reviewing its holding every quarter. Tesla and Elon Musk are paving the way for the adoption of cryptocurrency by big corporations and legitimizing the use of digital currency as a form of payment. However, cryptocurrency is still too volatile to be considered a reliable holder of value, and analysts predicting its price could range anywhere between 400,000 US dollars to zero. So it's really important that you guys and girls who are investing in cryptocurrency to be careful out there. Next item, Vocus in focus, third time the charm. Vocus, an Australian telecommunication company, is under pressure to close its third takeover offer from Macquarie Infrastructure and Real Assets Management, aka MIRA. The company has had a few bidders in the past, such as AGL Energy and private equity firm EQT, over the years, but cannot seem to pass the due diligence phase, which leads to speculation that there may be fundamental problems with its financial position. MIRA is attracted to Vocus due to the company's expansive infrastructure network, which is responsible for 61% of the company's earnings in the last financial year. Vocus CEO Kevin Russell is positive about the deal as the company is in much better position than it was for the 2017 and 2019 deals. Vocus consumer businesses Dodo and iPrimers are said to be stabilized and are picking up new customers. That is a good sign. At the same time, company is planning to IPO on the New Zealand exchange by the end of 2020 and 2021 financial year. Despite confidence in the company, there is still a little bit nervousness if the deal fails. Shareholders of Vocus are positive about the deal, which can be seen by its price jump by 12% since Monday trading, which closed at $4.94. Despite this, the effective price per share, as per the deal with MIRA, shall it close successfully, would be 11% on top, which will send the shares up to $5.50 per share. So you can see there, that's the share price on the TradingView chart. Next item on the list is Airtasker looks to raise capital through upcoming IPO. The jobs outsourcing platform Airtasker is anticipating to go public on 22nd of March this year in order to raise more capital. A large portion of the capital will be absorbed by its existing shareholder, Seven West Media. It was reviewed last month that Seven West Media will be selling its $50 million stake in the company. Currently, Airtasker has around 950,000 customers posting and purchasing services and about 150,000 taskers. The company has also expanded its operations to the UK, Ireland, New Zealand, and Singapore. Nevertheless, the Australian market still makes up the largest portion of the generated revenue. Furthermore, the average value of tasks has also increased from $97 to $159. The company stated that it now has a positive operating cash flow. Airtasker CEO Tim Fong, in the picture right there in the middle, stated that he wanted the company to be financially stable before and has strong gross margins before going public. So with the sign of them going public, I guess we can extrapolate that to say that the CEO is confident about the current position. Now, the COVID-19 pandemic has left many people unemployed. Initially affected Airtasker also, but now seems to be a blessing in disguise, as the recently unemployed now have other avenue to make a little bit of money to subsidize their expenses. Moreover, with this shift to gig economy model, as people break away from the old 9-to-5 working hours, and businesses needing to be more adaptable and flexible in its workforce and becoming more accepting of freelancers, Airtaskers and similar platforms like freelancers.com can now find a growing market. So here we see that the gig economy has been increasing in market size since 2015. So that's a really good sign for these kind of platforms. Anyways, that is it for today's episode of The Early Bird. Thank you so much for those who tuned in. If you like what you see, please share, like, and subscribe to stay up to date with what's happening with the financial news. Please feel free to leave your thoughts on today's items in the comments below. I'll leave you with a question before you go. Would you own a cryptocurrency? If so, which would it be? And if you already have some, which one is that? I will be doing an episode of The Early Bird every weekday morning before the market in Eastern Standard Times open. So that's around 9 o'clock, before 9 o'clock. Thank you again and have a great day. Bye-bye.